Hi, today I'll be working on an original character named Wallace. Wallace's design is done with Prisma colored pencil. Wallace is a very unique whale, being the only one of his kind. Out of all the berry pie whales, he is the only mixed berry pie. Truly being unique, he's the most serious and stern out of all the whales. He leads his own pod, but don't let him fool you. He does love to play pranks. His favorite prank that he likes to play is he likes to take his whip topping and use it as a shark fin to scare humans and other creatures alike. Here I begin to add some layers to try to make his tail look like it got dipped into the fruit filling, which is actually a part of his tail. I wanted to give it that luscious, juicy look to it. Now back to Wallace's story. He is a very charismatic, sociable whale. He has all these sorts of friends, although the one thing he does not have is a mate. I want to create him a mate resembling a lemon meringue pie. I think they would look cute together. Here I begin to work on the body where to match the tail that fruit grew. This is also where I kind of wish I would have had a brown body for him to resemble pie crust instead of the blue for the whale. I also have some berries mixed in with the fruit grew that have been like falling off the top of him, but they're actually like his little freckles or specks that the whales have, including a little drop that has fallen off. That's like his little special freckle. Here I start to add on the blue layers to give it that deep, rich blue color. I wanted him to be able to stand out within the bright pink ocean. Now I begin to work on the berries. There's cherries, blueberries, raspberries. That's all mixed in. Now I'm beginning to start on his whip topping, that curves that could look just like a shark fin. It's kind of hard to see because it's white on white. This is where I begin to work on the pink ocean background. It's oil pastels. I wanted to have a little light coming down, beckоning on him. You also get to see a glimpse of my cat Cornelius, who likes to butt in when I record videos. Alright, this is the finished version of Wallace. I hope you enjoyed my story and the process of making him. Please come back and join us for Miss Harriet, who is a penguin.